So it's snowing outside and about 36 degrees. Not going to do a training walk today. Instead, Kevin and I are attending a Bob Ross painting workshop. So we're going to spend the next 5 hours trying to recreate that. And that's what you start with. So we've got paints, we've got brushes, and we'll see what comes out. So after about 30 minutes, clouds have taken shape and starting to see some water. The mountains are starting to take shape. So after about 2 hours, we have mountains. And now we're going to get done with break, and then we will finish out with softening the mountains, putting in a little fog, and adding the foreground. All right, and this is what we have at the end of about 4.5 hours, including, I have a little eagle right here on the side. So if you get a chance to attend a Bob Ross workshop, I highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun, very reasonable, and wonderful instructors. No prior knowledge needed. So take care, and I will see you next week.